Hi there. Did you know that you are a woman who has innate superpowers? Today, I'm going to talk about how you can dress up for success during this holiday season. As you can see behind me here in the Western hemisphere of the world, it is fall harvest season. Some of us will be celebrating Halloween here next week. And I want you to know that you have not only your five senses of sight, hearing, smelling, touching, and tasting, but you actually have six superpowers. Now, when I was 7 years old, my favorite costume that I wore was a Wonder Woman costume. And I absolutely loved that year. This was way back. I'm dating myself a little bit. I am 47 years old. So 40 years ago, you couldn't just go on Amazon and click and buy a costume. We handmade our costumes and we pulled together all of the resources that were around us, scissors and tape and pens and the different things that we had laying around. And that is really one of the superpowers of incredibly successful women that I know, is that they look at what they have, they do what they can with what they have right around them. And so with these superpowers that not only Wonder Woman has and the incredible strengths that we bring, women, highly successful women, and really all women have the ability to pull from our innate superpowers within. So I want to be talking about how you can not only dress for success during this fall season and for those that celebrate Halloween, but certainly you can activate your innate mental superpowers that you have within you, whether you realize you have them or not. So there are six superpowers of the mind that we teach here at Brave Thinking Institute. And actually, if we're meeting for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Jennifer Joy Jiménez, and I am the founder and director of the Health and Wellbeing Division here at Brave Thinking Institute, where we empower people to create and live a life they love. And one of my favorite ways to do this is helping you create dynamic, vibrant, radiant health where your mind, body, and spirit is full of energy, and you get to do all of the things that you would love to do in your life. So let's talk about how you can unlock your innate superpowers that are right within you. So your first superpower that I want to talk about, I'm going to be unveiling 3 of your 6 superpowers. So the first is your superpower of perception. Now, here at Brave Thinking Institute, we believe that what we focus on expands. And so as you activate your superpower of perception, you can either focus on your flaws, or you can focus on your innate gifts and talents and how to bring forth those gifts and talents to make an even greater difference in the world around you. Now, your second superpower is a superpower of intuition. A lot of people who talk about the 5 senses know this one to be your 6th sense. This is your non-linear intelligence system. This is the part of you that just knows that you know. You have a feeling. If you're a mother, you often will sense this about your children. You just can sense it. You know this. And so you can bring forth your superpower of intuition to bring forth your successful life. And your third superpower is the mental faculty of imagination. Now, I would encourage you right now to take a look at your life, particularly your health, your well-being, your body confidence, your energy, your strength, your flexibility. And I would encourage you to ask yourself on a scale from 1 to 10, how are you feeling? Are you feeling highly confident in your body? When you wake up in the morning and you get ready for the day, are you feeling all the things that you would love to feel? Or do you sense that there's an even greater level of energy that you could activate? There's more flexibility, there's energy that you would love to increase in all areas of your life, and you've been feeling like this is an area that you would love to increase vitality, radiance, and confidence, then we should talk, because that is my greatest area of expertise. I've created programs and products that are designed specifically to help you create even more energy, confidence and radiance in your life. And so I have a free gift for you. It's called the Confidence Kit. It is a free ebook and guided meditation that will help you create the confidence, radiance, and energy that you truly deserve. So go ahead and click the link right below this video to download your free confidence kit. Also, if you haven't yet, please feel free to like this video and hit the subscribe button so that we can send you even more videos filled with inspiration, motivation, and bold action. So remember to think bravely and act boldly when it comes to you creating the confidence, radiance, and vitality that you would love. Have a great rest of your day and happy holidays.